Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Monday. Today is August the 18th. I'm on my first and only job of today. I also have two in-home consultations, which are in the same area. I'm in Hapeville, not far from the airport. And this is Mr. Winston. He actually called me sometime last week. Found me on Google and came out. He thought initially the floors needed to be sanded, but when I got here, I told him they didn't because of the wax residue on the floor. So he accepted my quote. It's like 538 square feet. I'm doing it at $3.50 a square foot. So let me show you guys what I got going today. All right, guys, well, I am in Hapeville, Georgia. A lot of these newer homes are being remodeled. A lot of people moving to the city. So anyway, also I had two quotes get accepted this morning, and I also had 3 new leads come in this morning. So let me show you guys what Mr. Winston was thinking. So if you look like right here, see right there, guys? See that he thought there was a scratch, and that's not a scratch. That's actually someone drugged something, and it's basically pulling that wax off the floors. And he said, well, Courtney, why in the world would somebody put wax on the floors? I said, Mr. Winston, they do it all the time. So anyway, guys, what I'm going to be doing is this kitchen area. Now, the good thing about these floors, like most of the floors that I do, this is red oak. This floor is not stained, it's natural. Okay, so I'm going to start back here. Got the 2 bedrooms. Again, you see all those scuff marks like that. People see that, okay? See right there, you there? Just like most of the jobs that I do. Also over here, all those scuff marks. So there's 2 bedrooms, this little small hallway, and then all up in here, see all that, guys? So he thought the floors were scratched, and they're not scratched. That's the wax trying to be pulled off the floor. So I'm going to take this off, screen the floor, and recoat it. No UV cure on this one. He said, Courtney, it's just a rental property, so I want to keep the cost down as much as possible. So I told him with the taking the wax off, screening, and recoating, $350 a square foot. All right, guys, let me go ahead and get started. All right, guys, look at the, oh, what's up, man? All right, guys, look at these floors now. I got them screened down really good. Now I'm gonna do some color correction. Really just sit here in the kitchen and then put down the coating. Floors came out really good. Got all that old finish off, just vacuum. I did do some scraping by hand. For those tight corners. Just scheduled another appointment for next Friday in Covington. She just basically sent pictures and I gave her the price. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, I am done. Mr. Winston, who's my client, wasn't able to make it. He's a little bit under the weather, but he went on and paid me for the job. I sent him pictures. And guys, look at these floors now. Nice, beautiful satin finish on them. Oh man, this looks so good. So good. Guys, let me zoom in, kind of show you. Remember in the beginning of the video, all those scuff marks, all those scratches that Mr. Winston thought were in the wood. It was basically that buildup that was on the wood, in the wood floors. So remember when I first came in, I showed it all up in here. Look at this, guys. Oh, this floor looks amazing. Amazing. All right, then go to the bedrooms. Oh yeah. Oh, that looks amazing. Looks so good. Zoom in. right. All those scuff marks and scratches are gone. Bedroom. This is a beautiful floor. Finish looks so good on this floor. All right. I'm gonna hit the lights. And then the kitchen. Remember when I first came in, all those scuff marks and scratches came out really good. Now right here by the back door, you see that, guys? That look like maybe some type of UV damage, but that looks a whole lot better than it did before. And then I helped this brother get the refrigerator out, so the floors came out great. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.